Need dey for people to check the state of their health always to avoid strong sickness like tuberculosis wey fit kpai person. Egor local government chairman Honorable Egor LG talk this one for one sensitization program wey dey organized by Edo State Primary Health Development Agency wey collaborate with International Organization of Migration and Association of Public Health Physicians of Nigeria Edo State Chapter to let the people of Egor local government area know about the cause of tuberculosis and how to treat am and way for person to prevent am. Honorable Egor LG for im talk contrary salute to the organizer of the program and say she go join body with them to call on Egor people to come check their health so that them go know wetin dey wrong so them go fit live long and free from Yama Yama sicknesses.
I want to thank you for coming and I want to thank you for choosing Egor local government. And I just want to give a word of advice and to let people know about tuberculosis. I know much about tuberculosis. Some people may have tuberculosis and they will not know that they have tuberculosis. You may not know. You may have a house help. You may have a sister or a brother that have tuberculosis. He will just tell you, oh, I'm just coughing, and he's coughing blood, not knowing that it's tuberculosis. Please, while the awareness is going on, Egor local government is going to join you for us to even have a public rally, awareness, like a road show, to make sure that our people are aware of this deadly disease.
How does this disease move from one person to another? It spreads into the air. We call it respiratory droplets. Somebody may be sitting beside you and the person is talking with you. In close contact, you are talking, you are gisting. In your mind, you dey flex, you dey talk. Unfortunately, if the person has tuberculosis, the person is releasing it to you. So as the person is coughing, as the person is singing, as the person is chatting with you, the bacteria, they are going all over the place. It's spreading. However, it is important for us to note that tuberculosis cannot be gotten from hugging your friends. It cannot be gotten from shaking people. You cannot get it from kissing your partner or kissing your child, no. But through coughing, through talking, singing, anything that requires that something is coming from your mouth or from your nose, somebody can get tuberculosis from there. So children that are under 5, they are also at risk. Why? Because at that age, their immunity is not strong enough. So if the tuberculosis bacteria enters into their body, it can cause harm. What are the things you look out for in persons that have tuberculosis? If you see your neighbor, they cough, cough, cough. This cough no one go. He don't use antibiotics, Moxi, use this one, use that one, go lishe. He don't go chemist, go pack everything together, chop am. But the cough is still there. Then you should watch out. It could be tuberculosis. So when that person is coughing consistently for nothing less than 3 weeks, then you should pay attention to whether there's a problem.
Chairman Association of Public Health Physicians of Nigeria, Dr. Obi talk say the reason them gather today now to make people know it is very important for them to check if them get tuberculosis sake of say tuberculosis na dangerous sickness. A constant talk say
we mark World Tuberculosis Day. It's a day set aside to draw attention on the need to have a concerted action against TB. It's important to know that TB is an infectious disease, but it's curable and preventable, and we all have a responsibility. Like he said, early detection is key to survival. TB services are available across the 18 local government area of the state. Services, testing, treatment services are highly decentralized and it's free of charge. I want us to avail ourselves this opportunity, get tested and get treated against TB. It is time for us to say yes and end TB.
Honorable Egor LG for in talk with Tori people talk say
yeah, we are here in Egor local government. Today is the World Tuberculosis Day, 25th of March 2024. So I want to use this medium to beg our people of Egor local government to go out and take the advantage of going to different centers to do their tests so they will know whether they have it or not. Like we always say, prevention is better than cure. Early detection of any kind of diseases can be cured. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.